So what we got finished yesterday was we got the turbo out, that was the last you seen, and we ended up just going for food and going for spins after, so we didn't really do anything else. But today is a new day, we're going to get started again. So what DJ is going at now is separating this lad. See the gap? That's the problem, that's why it's blowing. Yes?
Nearly separated already.
Oh fucking hell, worse than my parents, huh? Anyway, so we have a new gasket. Right, we have a new gasket to go in there and a new gasket. It's not really blowing here, but we're going to change this one anyway. And we also have to get out the gearbox today. We ordered a full new quick rack for us, inner and outer tie rods and a steer knuckle, so we are going to start into this.
I'll flip around there.
What make turbo is it? It's just kind of a aftermarket one, is it?
Fucking some sort of a
Chinese boy.
Some sort of fucking Wuhan war whistle in there.
A Wuhan war whistle 3000.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're right, boy. It's mad how much one gasket can make that much of a blow noise, isn't it? Like it sounded absolutely catastrophic.
Look at Nathan's car, sure.
No. No offence, Nathan, if you're watching this.
There's only about a quarter of a gasket in it.
What?
Literally half a gasket.
You have it? What's that?
That's only a bit of it.
Half a
Spare parts.
spare parts.
Don't have any more.
Yeah, no, the other half of it is actually gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Should we get these cleaned down and we get the new one in?
Yeah. Welcome.
Oh, and you have it.
There you have it. I'm never good at that since that.
There you have it.
Now, make sure that we put the turbo on the right way anyway.
Yeah, put it back on the way, come on.
Don't know.
They're very, very same as
Took it
that.
off later on.
And there you have it now, boy. See, you got it, man.
I don't think so.
I'm nearly positive. I'll go back on the last video.
Goes that way,
No.
Now you, yeah.
The carpenters after telling the mechanic. There you have it.
I'm sure I can't read.
I can't read.
Spat, you want to say?
Money phones.
So that's the gasket change now. All the other gaskets. So this is pretty much good to go back together. We're waiting on the new manifold gasket to come. That'll hopefully be here this week from Group D. And we can put that back together. So we are going to start pulling out this RB25 box now because the synchros are gone bad and it keeps popping out of gear. So we're going to get that rebuilt, get that back in, and then hopefully we'll be testing this car on the 26th of this month. All going well. Oh, Bradley.
So, here, leave that.
Huh?
What's he trying to do to you?
I asked him for 13. He gives me an adapter. Now, well, look, hey, he's after coming up at the right.
I can only do that from out here.
I could. Well, that's one, huh?
The other one's underneath. Look.
Look at the fuck. Who done that? Bradley, go underneath that fucking car.
There we let you up.
Bradley's gonna start stripping the prop. This is the man with the black Lexus.
What's happening, lads?
He's from the settled community, if anyone wants to know.
The settled community, yeah.
So we're going to strip out this box here now and then get that sent off.
Is that it out there? Yeah?
Alright, boy. Having some difficulty there, yeah?
Yeah, I'm over it, you know.
Now, there you have it.
Send the boys to man.
This man will strip a whole car with impact one.
And put it back together.
Yeah.
Torque the spec, watch.
Yeah.
Job done.
You're getting grinder, I know.
Boys, all I'm saying, if anyone has a map gas, I would happily come back and take that out.
I got another 14.
I need another 14 now, yeah.
Here, son, just put that 14 on it.
You can't, sure.
They're not even gearbox.
Yeah,
boys.
give me the lamp.
They're not even gearbox boys.
Yeah, straight from a gutter.
They fucking, that's what they're like, something off a gutter, yeah?
Yeah. Oh. Look at in for fast hands. How you doing? Chewing on your sleeve? Okay, no.
That was the mouse in the trailer there. Cold in the winter.
Oh, we'll give you another shot. Go on, do it again.
Come on now.
Go on, faster.
This is not doing nothing. That thing is fucking round or something. Fuck that.
Yeah. And there you have it.
You can have it.
Come on, boy, will you? I'm recording.
Shut up, do you know what's happening? Like, it's too tight for, or it's too loose for the ratchet, but it's too tight for my fingers.
That's what she said.
Oh my god.
That
wow.
box is wanked.
Ah, that's good.
It is, yeah, look at all that.
Yeah, but that just means it's working.
Show me.
Bro, look at that, it's silver.
Oh man, an oil filter came over. How class. I like it in there.
Wait,
Right.
and you're on a long extension there.
Extension, Bradley, give me extension.
Hack.
DJ, any extension?
Extension.
Man, hack.
Any more extensions? Need another one? Bradley, extension.
One more there, Brad.
Need another extension.
Hack, if you want 17.
What can I do? I wouldn't leave home without it.
Come on. Right, Brad, find the bolt. Let's go.
Fashion.
Watch your fingers now, Brad. So when I drive this yoke now, she's going hard.
Can you see it?
No, you're meant to feel it. Can you see it? Tis a
Reverse back down there.
yeah.
Bradley,
Right, Brad,
swivel.
Swivel, let's go.
You think you'd have it in your pocket?
Like DJ, don't leave home without it. I wouldn't leave home without it. Right, Hank, you ready? No. Right, run. Select first there.
Drive on up the M50.
Right, run. Way up she goes, boys. Let me know when you're ready, Hank. Fucking hell, we're getting good.
Ah, boy. You what?
Funnel.
You want a funnel?
Yeah.
What you want the funnel for? The one over there,
Up
no?
there now, Hank.
Yeah, go
Over
on.
there.
Give her a
We're a
fucking...
fucking fop, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's going down now, Hank?
Hey,
Fucking shredding it.
Fucking shredding it. I told you when this yoke goes, she goes, lads.
Alright, where's the extension? Oh, go back.
Go up, back up. Beep, beep, beep. Hurry on, dig up there. Hurry on the first, like a big truck. 25 speed box.
cheers, she saw me off.
Go on.
Are you in, Hank?
Yeah.
Fucking, you ready now?
No.
Go on.
You still on it?
No, forget about it. Look at it. Hold on. I got it.
You got it, Pat.
And there.
Time to drop the box.
And that's how you take out all the boats out of an RB25.
Simple as that.
Plan is now to pull out this
Smaller than that now.
old rack, and then hopefully the new one will be in from flows by Thursday, and we can get that fully changed out, but we're just stripping now.
Something like a 17 or something, yeah?
I have 17 here.
There you have it. That's not coming out.
No, all the way.
Oh, here we go.
To the way.
Oh, here's the.
Now it's out.
Well,
Now it'll never come out.
And there you have it. Just pissing in the bed.
Oh.
17 spanner for the top now.
Oh my god, you fucking blew me over.
Ah, bugging in the way.
Oh. You're a great help.
Small sockets.
Hey.
Fuck that thing is See, a dirty animal.
Ah, leaking of water on you.
The second one, just get cut in the boat. Go on, cut away.
Spraying out.
Go on.
Hey, well, we better just pull that out this one. Go on, go on. No,
Go on.
you'll rip the boat.
The new boots come with the new one on it.
Aye, go on,
Don.
dog away. And plenty of practice this morning.
Oh.
Twist it.
Yeah.
On. Yeah.
Hey, stop, don't pull it.
Don't pull it, Jay. Look. Bend the back now. Slide around. Where are you going?
No.
Oh.
Hey, fuck that in the ditch.
Huh?
Fuck that in.
Oh my God.
Stupid.
Right. There's the steering rack out. So we will have the new one this week. We got all this back together. Ah.
Any head and shoulders?
What are you getting?
It's an accurate shower. Come on, Brian.
Right, that's kind of.
Bradley's bringing that home.
Yeah.
Eating.
It'll be the first time?
That's kind of all we can get done with this kind of.
Yeah.
Right.
Shit.
So.
Put your hand up there and take that boat.
Yeah.
I did.
No, the tighten the piece.
Right.
I screwed it in.
I'm looking at it coming over.
Right, there's no one touching it, so
No, no one touches.
Diana's just screwed it back in, but
No.
it just kept dripping.
Oh, no.
It's just dribbling.
Parts come in the post this week. We will start all this next weekend. Get it all back together. But for now, we are going to go on our adventures to Dawson's and go down and play with his car. What has to be done to your car?
We build one of the calipers, fit them, and then bleed the brakes and try get the hydro working with the new cylinder from Group D.
No.
So
That's what we're going to do now.
exciting.
Right, good luck.
See you after.
We have now landed down to Dawson's. He's just going finishing doing his brake calipers, putting them back together. Trying to, and then hopefully go out shredding. If anyone doesn't know, this car claims to be one of the fastest IS200s in the southeast.
It is. It's not playing.
Definitely not.
Definitely. Definitely. Look at that shot. Has to be.
Can't be.
Not bad.
Make sure that's coming back up now, not getting stuck. Yep.
No. Fuck it, just where you're a mechanic. Have you done this before?
No.
No? You want fucking brakes like that on this machine? Let me tell you. I see you went for the optional extra brake. I like that. I like that. It's nice. It's nice. You know, it's not too much. It's not too little. It's just enough to stop it rolling. Alright boys, just get ready for the next factory, you know yourself. There's the preparation that goes into it. People don't see behind the scenes and the dedication that goes into this, but you see yourself on the 13th of May, boys. You'll see me on a track near you. Wow.
And that's her.
Yeah.
Is it? No, yeah, it's not.
You did not. You did. You bought the bash with the thermal on the wrong side, you fucking idiot, you. How'd you feel? The worst part is we got that camera too.
Fuck that. So I told your man Halford's a car is far. He said, yeah.
Really? You drive them for?
Ah, the fuck, I wouldn't run to the fridge.
Right.
Hold him down. Wow. Jesus, gone fairly high. Down again.
Mine too. I up that.
That's changing the inner tyre out after the last day Mandela.
Fucked it.
Lost talent and slapped it off the curb.
Not bad.
Just send it hard. Know yourself. There's some sick shit.
Yeah, fucking I'll help you.
Jeez, you're great.
Else in.
You are fucking just in there somewhere. Wiggity.
So here you have the rack spacers from Lexi Brake. I'll put the link in the description if anyone wants them. And what you need to run with that.
Our GS300 tracker lens, and then there we have the quick steer negative camber.
You can get that on Lexi Brake as well, yeah?
on Lexi Brake as well. Everything here is from Dave and Lexi Brake.
I'll throw the description in. There was a couple of people on to me before wanted to cover more IS 200 stuff, so there you have it, and there you go.
Look the difference in the threads.
I only get the boot on it. Psych, gotcha. So I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but this one is probably can't see it. But this one is. Oh no, there you can see it. Yeah, so this one is burnt anyway. So this is the new one all together now. You're on in the 3C, fellas. Yeah. Just it's on me. How do I turn that around? I say back in all fours now. Finished. Happy?
Try to crank this puppy over, see if he's starting the battery. Sweet. Never miss a beat. That's low boost.
I don't turn around the height on.
I can't. I won't run with the RA coils. I have to bring it back up though.
Boys, you're in the wind. That's all from us. We like what you see. We like conversation.